Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Playlist Go to transfer your Spotify playlists to YouTube Music. Switching music platforms can be frustrating, especially when you don't want to lose your playlists or spend hours rebuilding them. Playlist Go makes this easy. It lets you move your music library from one streaming service to another with ease, supporting Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, Tidal, Deezer, and more. Now, download and open Playlist Go. On the left side, select Spotify as your source platform. Make sure your account is connected. You can also add multiple accounts if needed. Once connected, you'll see all your playlists and albums. Choose the playlist you want to transfer. On the right side, select YouTube Music as your destination. Again, make sure your account is connected. Now click Transfer and let Playlist Go do the work. The transfer time will depend on how many songs are in your playlist.
Once it's done, you can check the results. Most songs will be transferred successfully. This saves you a lot of time and avoids rebuilding your playlist from scratch. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.